I'm Joe Engel at Luck-E Holsteins. I farm here with my wife Margaret, my brother Matt, and my parents Dennis and Beth. My parents got their first registered Holstein as a wedding gift to each other in 1968 when they got married. And they built their herd from there using embryo transfer to reach the goal of a high type herd that we have today. Genomics is really at the base of our business model because we can move really fast. Before genomics, we couldn't accurately find our donors until after they calved the first time and maybe even in subsequent lactations. Now we're identifying that animal in the first month of life. Genetic progress for our herd is being able to breed cows that are better every generation while maintaining great components and increasing other health traits in that animal to make her more valuable in the market. The main objective in our breeding program is to have a cow that is wide from her muzzle through her chest all the way back to her rump so that she can have a wide rear udder that can produce a lot of milk and an ideal stature. A cow like Luck-E Advent-Asia, which is kind of the cow that really put Luck-E Holsteins on the map globally. That cow could go into any management system in any country in the world or go to the show ring and do good. Genomics has raised the bar in our herd because we've improved our consistency so much. We have significantly more animals that are a lot more marketable, and that's very important to our business structure. When we get our DHI information back, we make a lot of cow side management decisions, specifically with somatic cell and in genetic terms with butter, fat, and protein. That's a significant part of our marketing, so it's important to have that data so we can select for the next generation. Because our herd and others share our data into the National Database, the genetic evaluations in the US really are the most trusted, accurate, and consistent genetic evaluations in the world. As we've seen when we've started to branch out to other breeds from just Holsteins, we've seen how much of a difference it makes when you have significantly more data in the database. It is so much easier selecting bulls with confidence. If we keep continuing to feed that database, it gives us the power to make genetic decisions with a lot of confidence and make those decisions really fast and easy. As we look at commercial herds that use genomics to identify the top and bottom end of their herd to make breeding decisions to make the most milk and rate of return on investment per stall, we do the same thing in our herd with our type goals because we're able to accurately identify our donors very early, and we can identify our recipient animals really early, so then those recipient animals can carry a high genetic value calf, so we are getting the most genetics per stall, so we're getting the most return on investment per stall. It's really important for us to make fast genetic progress to stay competitive in the industry. If I look back at the pictures of our best cows from 10 years ago, we realize how much cows have changed and how we have to accelerate our genetics at a fast pace to stay competitive moving forward.